bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Remove the access panel. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new AQ1102C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the housing panel. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.